Hello everyone. This is Emporos Research. I hope you are having a great week so far. Welcome to our Mapping the Market concept video. This will be a quick few-minute video showing you how on any asset, any market, you can map your markets manually and the best tips to do so. Number one, top-down approach. Start from the higher time frames, 1 month and out, and then start scaling down. So, as you see, I already kind of started here. I had to redo the video. So we're going to reset the chart, remove the drawing tools, start from the 1 month so you get a clear picture of the top-down approach. And since we're in kind of, as you see, a bullish parabolic run on Bitcoin, there's no need to focus on the monthly levels for now. So let's jump to 2 weeks where we can see a very clear level here, which is this one, or make this black so we can see it. Not much else to do here besides probably the top one here. And maybe one more in the 2 week, which is 35, 36. And let's go to the 1 week now. We see a couple smaller pivots now, so we'll make it blue. Not that one blue, I meant the next one blue, which would be about 38 to 40. As you see this confluence here. And a very, very important tip to remember is you want to follow and draw your levels right to left. This way, right to left. I know for those of you in the US, right to left is probably very different than left to right, which is what we're used to, right? However, recent price action history is much more relevant than something that happened long, long ago. It's still relevant, yes, but it's way more significant and impactful going right to left. You want to draw your levels right to left. Keep that in mind. It is very important. Otherwise, you're going to be getting, your levels are going to be broken down and smashed into, and you're going to be confused as to why they're not working correctly. Remember, the only point of this is to know where to do business in the market, where to set up your trades, how to structure your breakdowns, your breakups, your pivotal flips, how to long and short from them, how long to stay in, if you're going to day trade it, if it's a swing trade, how to scale. This is what it's for, okay? Mapping your market solves all these issues. It plans your market ahead of time. It lets you know how to make money. Remember, you're a business. This is a business. You need to know the best ways to make money in the market of your choice. Now that we covered all that, let's add one more pivot that we're missing here and go down to the 3-day top-down approach. So we could probably see one. Do you see one spot we can draw it, which is about right here? This confluence area, about 43 to 44. Let's make this orange. So there we go. We have our pivots. And the next one we talked about in our group chat. Join it below, Emporos Research. It has a widget of tools, risk calculators, other traders there. We brainstorm ideas, analysis. Very helpful to new traders and veterans alike. So please check that out in the link below. And I hope you enjoy your stay if you decide to join us. Now, 56.8 was, as you saw when we were focusing on our swing trade, we played a range from here to here, and we pretty much nailed the top, 65K. Like, it's as accurate as you can be. I mean, I probably got lucky to nail the exact top like that, but if you know what you're doing, it happens more than you would think. Remember, you're anticipating scenarios. You're not predicting the future. You anticipate scenarios and adapt to it. Now, the next pivot is 56.8, which is about right here. Make that red. And this is what we're waiting to see on Bitcoin. And we're going to see if we break through this and go here, or we're going to see if we fail, fake out. So we have fakies and, fake outs are how markets can trick the other participants into going long, and then it would fall. So we might see something like that as it would crash back down and fall to our lower targets. We could see a range as a test there, and it just ranges here for a while during monthly Q2 consolidation. Remember I tweeted that? I said beware of Q2 consolidation. The chop will get people wrecked, so be very careful. So yes, we're waiting to see what happens here. We broke down, didn't quite make it up, so this was a short signal, and then our pivot down at 48 held. When you see something like this, we can get more into these patterns later, but when you have so many red days in a row like this on the daily chart, usually we have a relief bounce eventually, especially as we're still in a bull market for Bitcoin at the current moment. Now, time is flying. I had to redo this, so hopefully my concepts went through. Of course, top-down approach means you can go to the 12 hours, you can make some extra lines, like right about here would have been a good one, right? You see why? Boom, boom, and then some confluence with the ATR over here, right? So farther left you go, it makes more sense, but make sure you stick to the right to left approach. And then 6 hours, 4 hour. See how it also lines up with the 12 hour here? So you can even draw, I like to do a ray for that, or just dot it so we know the difference. Let's make that green though. So yeah, when we're analyzing our trades, we want to follow these pivots and we'll see a better direction on how to make money. Anyway, this is getting way extra 2 minutes longer than I thought. So this sums up the market mapping concept. We will do more markets. For those of you who have questions, I do offer some consultations that, you know, if anyone wants to learn more about them, we could go through this, get you up and running, set up, and basically answer any other questions you have on charting. This trading system in general, if there's interest in that, I can really go out of my way to make, you know, why I color things the way I do, some live trades and all that. So this is Emporos signing off. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was clear and precise, and this video ended up being longer than I thought, but hopefully it was valuable to you all. Take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will see you again very, very soon. Later.